Hello, I'm Jay Heath.
And I'm Denise Heath, broker associate with eXp Realty and the Live Love Paradise team. Welcome to our newest listing at 15291 Appleton Boulevard in the beautiful Gulf Access community, South Gulf Cove.
This newly completed custom home is a boater's paradise with 80 feet of concrete seawall and no fixed bridges between here and the Gulf of Mexico.
With over 3,300 square feet of indoor and outdoor living space, this coastal-inspired home offers 3 beds, 2.5 baths, a home office with pocket doors, and a 3-car garage.
And the 3-car garage features 8-foot insulated overhead doors, finished walls, and pull-down stairs. This home also has a metal roof.
And the finishes are just beautiful with beachy vibes, quartz countertops and backsplash, black stainless steel appliances, and soft close cabinetry.
You'll never be bored of the waterfront lifestyle with fishing, kayaking, boating, and more from your own backyards. And for your peace of mind, this home features impact windows, sliders, and doors. Thank you for taking the tour with us today. For more information, call me, Jay Heath, at 302-388-1911.
Or Denise at 941-525-2250. Or visit us online at deniseheath.com.
See you on the water.